Hey guys, my name's Mel and I'm a full-time eBay seller here in Australia. Now, if you're a regular on my channel, then welcome back. And if you're new here, then I buy secondhand books and I sell them on eBay to make money. Now, if you've been following my eBay journey, my book journey, my moving house journey, then I've got something that I want to show you today. So let's go. Okay guys, now I wanted to take you somewhere and show you something that's exciting, scary, daunting, making me feel a bit sick. But no, it's exciting. It's exciting, I think. Okay, so I'm here and I want to show you something. Now, this house behind me with all the bushes actually belongs to me and my husband. So this is our rental property that we rent out to tenants. So it's tenanted at the moment, which is why I'm speaking a little bit quietly. Now, we have decided to actually move into this house and we are going to renovate it. Now, we bought this house 5.5 years ago and the intention was always to renovate it at some point, but it's just never really been the right time, and I've never wanted to move into it to renovate it. Whereas my husband Aaron, he's been wanting to move into it so we can renovate it as we go and renovate it on a budget. And I haven't been keen. However, I've decided to do it. My husband is actually a carpenter and a painter by trade, and he's very handy and can pretty much do anything. So the intention was always to renovate this house. Now, we've been looking to move house, obviously, because we have to currently get out of the house that we're renting. And the rental prices here are absolutely exorbitant. They are actually double the price of our mortgage that we're paying on this house. And our eldest daughter has now moved out of home, so we're down one child living with us now. So we've decided that now is the right time. We're going to move into this house. We're going to renovate it as we go. We're going to build a new shed on the block that we're going to convert to a room for my eldest son, just to make sure we've got enough bedrooms for everyone. And after about a year, if I like living out here, we might be able to add some extensions on for me for eBay. As birds. Those are big cockatoos, guys. Whoa. This is a bloody noisy bird street. So I just had to pause because there was an old lady walking past with her dog. Now, this lady looked at least 80 and she just said to me, "That makes you look very vain taking a selfie." So yeah, welcome to the neighborhood. Now, I can't really show you the house because there's people obviously living in it, tenants are living in it, but I am going to try and take you around here and quickly show you some sneaky vision so you've got a little bit of an idea what we're looking at. But basically, this is an old ex-government house. It is 3-bedroom, probably about 12 squares. It is small and it's gonna do my head in living here. But my husband is so excited. He's been wanting to do this project for so long, and I'm ready to just, I don't know. Shit, I'm gonna do it. Now, this house next door that you can see here, this is actually just being built. There's nobody even living in it at the moment. They have knocked down the other house, rebuilt. They have put dual occupancy on there, so there will be a couple of people living there. There's 2 houses on the one block, but I think it will be good for our house. It will hopefully bring the value up on our house, just having a brand new house next door. Let's see. And the sun's pretty bright. There's a car here, so I just want to block it out. But as you can see, it's just a very basic house with a lot of potential. Holy crap, their dog nearly scared the absolute shit out of me. So what this means is now that we're moving to a smaller house, it means we're going to have even less room. And the new house doesn't even have a garage or a shed, because the shed that's currently on the block, we're going to demolish and build a new shed for my son to live in. Now we will be building a small games room kind of off the shed, that we're going to put like a new double garage on there, and some of it will be converted to bedroom and some of it will be converted to like a little game sitting room for the kids, where we will try and put some internal storage and some cupboards. But what it means is I am not going to have much room to store anything in this new house. And we're probably going to have to hire a small storage unit for a little while just to put some of our personal belongings in, because there is literally no storage in this house. There isn't even bedroom cupboards. So what this means now is I have a lot of death pile of clothes since I've stopped selling clothes. I got heaps and heaps of clothes and shoes. And I've kind of had them sitting here, sitting on them, not sure exactly when I was going to sell them. But now that I'm going to be moving and I don't have anywhere to store them, I need to get rid of these clothes. So what I decided to do was create a Facebook group for Australians who are interested in buying my stock into some reseller bundles. Except this is my problem now. I don't even know where to start. I'm going to show you how many clothes I've got here to sell off to other resellers, and I'm not sure the best way to go about it. I don't really like the idea of doing mystery bundles because I just don't like the thought of people not knowing what they're going to get. However, in saying that, there's so much stuff here, like literally probably a couple of thousand of items. I don't even know where to start with doing bundles of like 10, 20 items. It's going to take me forever to put them into bundles, photograph them to show everyone what's in the bundle. And I'm a little bit stumped, overwhelmed and stumped at the best way to go about selling off these clothes. And I have had a few people who have said they'd be interested in buying in bulk, but those people don't live in the same state as me, and so even that would be a big job for me. I would have to package it all up and organize it to be shipped, and it's still like a big mystery bucket then, isn't it? They're buying sight unseen. So let me show you what I've got. Okay, so this is just all the clothing I have. This does not even include all the tubs of shoes that I've also got set aside and all the tubs of miscellaneous stuff. I will be holding a garage sale to get rid of some of the miscellaneous stuff, but the clothes are my biggest issue at the moment. So as you can see here, I've got tubs. Some of these are labeled for me. Pants, men's shirts, men's pants, men's shirts. So that pile is all men's. This pile is all women's. This pile is, I don't even know what that pile is. This pile is a bucket of kids. And then all these boxes are absolutely full to the brim with clothes. So I've started trying to put them into piles. Women's tops, women's dresses, men's clothes, women's shorts, women's jackets and tops. I've tried to start like putting them into these boxes so I know the types of them, because I was thinking, oh, well, then I can make up bundles, women's top bundle or a women's dress bundle, and somebody who likes to sell dresses. But oh my goodness, like the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of items of clothing here for me to do, it's very, very time consuming, and I'm not even sure. These boxes over here, these are all full of shoes and miscellaneous. There's some more here. So these are kind of full of miscellaneous and shoes, also in these black tubs. I probably got another 5 black tubs in the storage units that are also full of miscellaneous items. So as you can see, I've got no choice. I have to get rid of this clothing. I will not be able to fit it in the new house. I do not want to be paying storage for it in a storage unit, and I can't fit it in my storage units where I'm selling the books. So I've got no other choice but to sell it off. And I've got so much to do in the lead up of packing a house and moving, and now that we're going to be moving into another house all very fast and having to get some new flooring in there before we move in, I've got a lot of jobs to do. I've got to not only be running my eBay store, which is a huge job for me, managing my YouTube, but also now I'm going to be like some renovating queen where I have to like choose floorboards and paint colors and what have I got myself into? I really just don't know. So I'm looking for tips, guys. If you've got any suggestions for me about how I can offload all this stock, what is the best way for me to make reseller bundles? Obviously, I only want to ship it Australia-wide. I don't want to be shipping this kind of stuff internationally. But I just do mystery boxes or specific bundles saying exactly what's in it. If I do mystery boxes, am I opening myself up to trouble? Somebody might not like what they get in their mystery box and then they blame me. The dilemmas. Anyway, let me know in the comments down below and give me your thoughts. Let me know what you think about us moving and renovating. I'll also put the link down below to our new renovating channel. Obviously, there's no videos on it yet, but they will be starting in the next few weeks because we will start the videos from the very beginning as we start choosing things for the house and working through our plans and what we're going to do with it. So do go and subscribe. It's going to be fun. Come along for the ride and let me know what you think about all my clothing and what I should do with this. Thanks for watching.